All right, first we're going to take this bolt out. Then rotate the handle away. Just go all the way to here. Take the cable out of the bottom. Take the spring off. See how it's on this one? Need to make sure it gets put on the same way. So I'm going to pop that spring off. Get the new handle. Pop the spring onto there. Make sure that piece is rotated all the way down. And then pull the cable out to the front here. And then we put it in the hole. Make sure it's all the way up. All the way up so the handle can rotate like this. And then it's just get the handle and rotate it in. It's just like this and rotate it in. Make sure this is in place. Wiggle it in. Put your bolt back in the hole. Tighten. But don't over tighten, because if you over tighten, see the handle doesn't want to come back. Just back it off until it comes back like a quarter or a half turn. And then it snaps right back. So don't over tighten that bolt. And it's a lock nut, so it shouldn't come loose.